In the name of Allah, who is the King of the kings and Lord of the lords. Respected teachers, honorable chief guests, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of our great leader, Quaid Azam Ali Jinnah. Please subscribe to Azam Vlog for more informative videos. Quaid Azam Ali Jinnah was born in Karachi on 25 December 1876. There are so many great personalities, but I like Quaid Azam Ali Jinnah, a person who was not only a man, but a whole institution of truth, honesty and sincerity. He got his higher education abroad. He proved his worth as a successful lawyer and stepped in the field of politics. Quaid Azam observed that miserable condition of Muslims and decided to work for them. He presented his case of two-nation theory in such an effective way that each corner of the subcontinent resounded with a single voice. It was the result of his wonderful leadership that on 23rd March 1940 the Pakistan resolution was presented at the place of Minare, Pakistan, and the Pakistan movement entered into a new phase. Then the sound to get Pakistan converted into the utmost passion of the Muslim community in subcontinent. Quaid had a strong dream, a wide and talented vision, a bold and clear vision, a massive and energetic vision, a large sense of political work which kind did the whole nation over the path of unique covers, and eventually on 14 August 1947 a sun appeared at the horizon of South Asia, which shone with a new name, Pakistan. Yes, the Pakistan of Quaid, which was determined with the slogan, Pakistan ka matlab kya? La ilaha illallah. Pakistan ka matlab kya? La ilaha illallah. बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान, बन के रहेगा पाकिस्तान, बट के रहेगा हिंदुस्तान, बट के रहेगा हिंदुस्तान. Quaid Azam became the first Governor General of Pakistan. At the end, I want to share some of the evergreen wording of Quaid Azam as he said, I don't believe in talking the right decision. I take a decision and make it right. I am again speaking the Quaid mottos. I don't believe in taking the right decision. I take a decision and make it right. Thanks to you all to watching Azam Vlog. Thank you so much.